Looks like it's time for another springtime camping trip. Let's hit the road. It's another beautiful spring day here in northern Wisconsin. We're gonna enjoy some good weather, it looks like. We're headed to Nicolet campground in the National Forest. This is how I remove my kayak all by myself. Now you'll see the device that I use right up here. It's got suction cups on it, and it works real well for doing that. We'll just release these. And it comes off just that easy. Now my other kayak is right up here inside the van. It's shorter, so it can go in here just like that. And we pull that out. Pull her out. So we're all ready to go with 2 kayaks. Shall we see what lovely and talented wife is making for breakfast in here?
She's bringing up some toast, is what she's doing.
Well, let's see, she's been rolling this dough out here. And let me see what she's frying in this.
Crazy bread is what it is.
That's pretty awesome. That's going to be our bread for today. Are we making sandwiches, or is that toast, or what?
It's toast.
That's kind of toast.
Yeah,
all right.
I think it's not done, but yeah.
Yeah.
Inside.
Very nice. And she's got a nice rolling pin here that she made with a cup. Look at her go.
Now if we can get it off the plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll come. It will come.
We have a stack of nice homemade bread here. Now what's she cooking up here? She got some Nicolet's bacon, specialty bacon, and we're gonna have some eggs over here. So should be a good breakfast. We're here, we have a painting on the wall and a new welcome sign. And my wife did this. Very nice. Cross stitch, is that what you call it?
Embroider.
Embroider.
And I don't know what else you would call it.
Okay. That's a good looking breakfast, I tell you. Well, we got lovely and talented wife out there, and she's going to read a book out there. So that's her kind of fun. Looks like it's time for me to launch my kayak. There it is there. It's a little shorter. Well, I'm out on the lake in my kayak, and you can see lovely, talented wife back there in the background. So this is Ada Lake, and Ada Lake Campground. It's a national forest campground in Wisconsin. Beautiful place. Enjoying it a lot. I actually brought along a book to look at, and I'll show it to you. My wife actually picked it up at a secondhand store, so it's quite interesting. I enjoyed it. Well, I haven't finished it yet, but you'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute here. Now here's the book. It's the American cars of the 60s, 1960s. And I owned a lot of different vehicles from the 60s growing up during that time. So I'm finding it very interesting because there's all these different companies and their different models of cars and engines and so forth within the book. And there's a Corvette grinding going down the road. Actually had a 68 Corvette at one time, an orange one, ragtop. So yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, if you go to our channel, I have a couple of videos on the different car shows that are in Wisconsin. The big Iola, Wisconsin car show, and also the Simcoe car show, which is a good one as well, which is in Wisconsin, not actually not too far from Iola. Oh yeah, we see another Corvette and some Camaros there. Yeah, enjoyable book, enjoyable day out here on the lake, Ada Lake again. So check this out, what just popped up in between us. It's a loon diving to the depths of the lake. There are several varieties of loons. This one's called a common loon, which you can see here. They are known for their distinctive haunting calls. That can be a little bit freaky, hearing that in the middle of the night. Time to head back to the campsite. This is a nice gift from a friend. We just received it, so we were able to take it up camping. It's a rechargeable battery on this. It's a thermal cell to get rid of the mosquitoes, so it seemed to help out. So we thank you for that. We found some old chips from last year still in the camper. And anyway, I'm gonna feed the fire then with these chips. They're not too good. Yep, that's what you call feeding the fire. They burn pretty good. Those chips were definitely stale and just a little bit chewy. I got a new saw blade for my Sawzall, and it works really well. You can see that blade there. Yeah, it works great for cutting up firewood. So I'll show you how that works for sure. Whoa. Yes, it's still got a good battery. I actually got this blade from Harbor Freight Tools. There were several in a package in there. They weren't too bad as far as expense. So we'll see how this works out. Yeah, that does the trick. This style of camper is actually called a Can-Ham. You can see by the rounded corners on each side why they call it that. And this porthole was not there. I put that on. And this is not the original door either. And that's not original up here too. I put that extra vent in for the new fridge I put in there. It was a used fridge, but a bigger fridge. I have a picture here of what the camper looked like when we first bought it. It turned into kind of a family project working on it, so we feel it turned out pretty nice after looking at this wreck, huh? This camper is actually a Pathfinder, and on the emblem you see here, it's was made in Spencer, Wisconsin, if you can see that. So we'll go inside. And here we see the back with the bed. Does not fold up or anything like that. So the bed's just there. There's a television. And over here we have my air conditioner called Celsius. Put that stickers on there. Yeah, she likes to put off cool air. And we do have the lighting up there. That's original lighting. And this is not the original fridge. I put in a larger one. But it's pretty good size. Little freezer up there. And places in the door to put stuff. That's good. And there's the fish up there. I guess this is the newest sign that we got here. It was a gift. And then somebody I know made this, painted this. I guess I did. So anyway, that's what it looks like inside. If you're interested in that. Cabinets. Well, I'm about ready to eat. We have a nice steak cooking up on the campfire, so I'll show you that. Yes, indeed, that should be good. Yep, the delicious meal is ready, and so am I. Oh boy, that really looks delicious. Got burgers with all kinds of goodies on there. And this salad, potato salad in quotation marks, because what it's made out of, lovely and talented wife, she made up this salad with cauliflower. And you can really not tell the difference between potato salad and the cauliflower in there. It's keto friendly, so it's going to be really delicious again.